The best refrigerators to save yourself from extra trips to the grocery store. 1. LG LFX S28968S Smart Refrigerator. Bottom line, considering its sleek design, roomy interior, and smart storage solutions, we think this is the best refrigerator you can buy. If you're looking for the most bang for your buck, the LG LFX S28968S won't disappoint. The stainless steel French door refrigerator offers plenty of features, like contoured doors, hidden hinges, and a slim ice maker, that give it a leg up over the competition. It's also smart home enabled, compatible with Alexa, Google Home, and LG's proprietary SmartThink devices. 2. GE Profile PFE28 PSKSS Smart Refrigerator. Pros: it offers smart features like Wi-Fi connectivity, a free downloadable app, and Amazon Alexa or Google Home functionality, without requiring an ugly screen on its front. Con: the autofill option struggles with narrow-mouthed water bottles, so it works best with cups and pitchers. GE's PFE28 PSKSS Smart Refrigerator is part of the appliance manufacturer's modern-looking profile series. GE has chosen to keep a tasteful and traditional design for its Wi-Fi-enabled appliance. We think other smart fridges like Samsung's Family Hub or LG's InstaView refrigerator look obnoxious with their large, gimmicky touchscreen, or in the case of the LG. 3. Samsung RS25J500D Refrigerator. Compared with other refrigerator styles, side-by-side models are split vertically. On the plus side, all your fresh and frozen goods are at eye level, but it's difficult to fit larger, wider items like pizza boxes than it would be with a fridge and freezer combination that's split horizontally in a French door style. This isn't to say side-by-side refrigerators don't offer enough room. In fact, this model has 24.5 cubic feet of space, and it's slightly larger than our bottom freezer pick. 4. Samsung RT21M6215 Refrigerator. Over the years, French door-style refrigerators have become increasingly popular, but if you still prefer the older, top freezer style, Samsung makes a reliable and modern-looking one called the RT21M6215. It's about 33 inches wide, and it comes in white, black stainless, or standard stainless steel finishes. It has recessed and reversible handles, plus a fingerprint-resistant coating. It includes an ice maker that produces up to 3. 5. LG LDCS24223 Refrigerator. If French door-style refrigerators just aren't your thing, we think the bottom freezer style is the next best option, and LG offers one of the best ones you can buy. What makes this style ideal is that it puts your food at eye level, so you can easily see and quickly grab what it is you're looking for.